Akashdeep's send-off for Ben Duckett was one of the major talking points on day 2 of the Oval Test between India and England. The pacer was hit around the park in the morning session as the southpaw brought out reverse ramps and scoops. However, the Indian pacer had the last laugh as he dismissed Duckett for 43. After taking his wicket, Akash put his arm around Duckett's shoulder and said a few words. This didn't leave many impressed, with Michael Atherton and Dinesh Karthik asking Akashdeep to exercise restraint. However, it seems like there is no bad blood between Duckett and Akashdeep. The duo were seen hugging it out on day 3 when the latter was batting alongside Yashasvi Jaiswal. The incident happened before the start of the 28th over. Both Duckett and Akashdeep had smiles on their faces, and it all seemed pleasant in the middle. Former cricketers Atherton and Karthik were on commentary at the time, explaining the entire chain of events. Akashdeep and Ben Duckett hug it out. The move was heavily criticized by the fans and the pundits across both teams. The former cricketers turned analyst felt that Duckett did his job and Akashdeep had no reason to sledge him, probably risking himself a sanction from the ICC. However, in the latest events, all is well between Akashdeep and Ben Duckett as the duo shared a hug while the India seamer walked to bat on day 3. The moment went viral as the fans appreciated that the issue was sorted between the two international stars. Akashdeep, who came in as a night watchman, frustrated the hosts in the morning session of day 3 as he scored at a brisk pace, keeping England at bay. He formed a gritty partnership with Yashasvi Jaiswal for the 3rd wicket. With nerves of steel and a cheeky inside edge, the Indian fast bowler flicked Gus Atkinson to the leg side for a boundary and raised his bat to celebrate his historic maiden Test 50. Akash's pumped fist, the standing ovation from the Indian dressing room, and even a rare smile from head coach Gautam Gambhir said it all. After cracking his maiden Test 50, Akash etched his name into Indian cricket history. He became only the 2nd Indian night watchman of this century to score a Test 50. Before him, Amit Mishra pulled it off twice, once against Bangladesh in 2010 and then against England at the Oval in 2011.